I'm not here to tell you what stocks to buy. No, I sell that. Yeah. I created an AI agent and put her to work. That's Samantha. On May the 1st of 2025. In our portfolio as of today, not yet a year, since it was May when it started, is up about 120%. And that's because I have figured out how to analyze stocks and create a portfolio that is centered on growth and change. And the biggest change in my lifetime, and I'm 81 years old, is that of AI. It's bigger than the internet. It's bigger than the airplane. It's bigger than the telephone. When I was a kid, we had, what was it called? Party lines. You picked up the phone, maybe your neighbor was talking on the phone. It's bigger than that. I wasn't around when Edison introduced electricity, but I think it's almost bigger than, no, not really. But it's big. It's going to change the world more than what electricity did. It lit our houses. It gave us the ability to heat our houses and with other utilities. But it's giving us access to knowledge. And I've applied that to the stock market. And I focused on semiconductors and their delivery of AI. And so I don't get them all right. I was just talking to some of our members, and they were telling me how well they're doing on Caterpillar. If I had thought it through, I would have said, sure, Caterpillar is going to be a stock that is going to be in demand because they got to clear all that land. Heck, they're clearing down in Bessemer, Alabama. They're clearing an area of 1 mile by 1 mile to put in multiple facilities of data centers. Well, Caterpillar's got to be there. But as I look at Caterpillar, I would not have chosen it as a stock because it didn't meet my criteria. Oh, its earnings are up phenomenally, but its revenues aren't up. The revenues are only growing at 2 and 3%. And to qualify for my portfolio, our bus portfolio, you got to have revenues and earnings growing in excess of 20% a year, because that's my criteria for what a growth stock is. And as I say, I built a AI agent to go find them and then to analyze them and then to use past information and future projections to tell me what the price is going to be at the end of 2026, 27, and 28. And then what I'm doing is buying the data to come to those conclusions, and then I'm crowdfunding that purchase because I'll spend about $20,000 a month to make this possible for me to manage my portfolio, and it works out. But I decided, why not share it? Why not change the way the stock market works, where only the select rich get the information because they hire people to analyze stocks? Why not turn AI into a stock analyst that beats all the human stock analysts? And that's what I've done. So I'm offering you the opportunity to get involved in it, to get involved in the crowdfunding of stock analysis so that you can become a millionaire. As I said, we aren't through the first year yet of it, but we're up 120%. If we can do that every year, hell, in 7 years, you can turn $10,000 into $1 million. It's just simple math. So I want to change the world. I don't have a whole lot of time left, and I want to make it available to you, to your brother-in-law, and even your parents. Because if we can do this, and the big rub on AI is it's going to take away a lot of jobs. Okay, if you're doubling your portfolio every year, you don't need a job. You just profit off of the well-managed companies that are changing our world, that are curing cancer, that are curing heart disease, that are moving Wall Street to Main Street, that are leveling the playing field, that are getting rid of these glass towers in New York City who make billions of dollars and then brag about it as we fight to make it out of the grocery store once a week with some money in our pockets. This has got to change. And I want to help change your life. So join up, $60 a month, multiply times 12, $720 a year. And as someone said, I've been with you for a month, and I've already paid for, what did he say? All 12 months of the what you're going to charge me. It's just math, folks, and it's data, and artificial intelligence makes it available if you know how to interpret it. So that's what I'm offering. If you're interested, come find the link, and I'll explain it further to you. And let's change the way this whole thing works. Let's change the way we invest.